Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on Xiaomi Mix 4 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While you're opening, be gentle. The charging port flex is attached to the back cover. Undo 2 screws and apply heat to take out the flex from the back cover. Also, make sure to disconnect the plug. Take out the back cover and then apply heat on the camera lens glass area on the front side. For this, we are using a heat gun. And then slightly apply pressure from the rear side to take out the lens. Make sure to clean the surface before placing the new lens. Next, place the new camera lens with adhesive. Next, place the charging port flex and secure the port by adding 2 screws and the connector. Next, secure the front assembly on the back cover. First, clamp the top section on the back cover and then follow the bottom end. Ensure clips are fastened. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.